Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by loading your project and bringing the clip or audio track into the timeline. This gives us material to clean. Once done, split the audio from the video if needed so you can work on noise without risking the picture. Make sure to select the audio layer and open the audio menu to access gain, fade, and the noise reduction controls. These first steps let you focus only on sound and prevent accidental edits to the video itself. Next, you apply the noise reduction filter and tune its parameters. This is the most detailed part. Start with a mild reduction amount to avoid artifacts, then raise the strength slowly while listening for clarity loss. Use the high-pass filter if low rumble is present and reduce frequencies under a specific cutoff. This targets hums without dulling voices. Once you have a candidate setting, preview repeatedly and toggle the effect on, and to finish, render a short test clip and listen on different devices so you catch issues you might miss in headphones. If you hear warbling or swishing, reduce the noise reduction amount and consider adding a light EQ boost around voice frequencies to restore presence. Make sure to save a copy of your project before final export so you can revert. If noise persists, record a new take with a better mic or move closer to the source to avoid overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.